know how to hurt better than I do, but I've developed feelings for me rather than for you. For you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you. I'm not looking 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 for you. I'm not looking. I'm not looking for you. I'm not looking for you. I'm not looking for you. This feeling's 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 for you. I'm not looking for it. I'm not looking for it. I'm not looking for you. I'm not looking for you, for you, for you. I'm not looking for you. Every time I'm in the mirror, I see you looking at me, leaning on my shoulder, holding my hand, kissing my cheek. I don't know what to do now. Can't look at my phone, cause somehow it knows to remind me that it's over. Oh, I finally blocked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics on the walls. I thought that I want somebody to hold me. It's not like me to not move on. 1 month in was horrible, and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2, I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams. Then 3, I felt like dying, and then 4, I couldn't breathe. 5 months losing control